In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Substack on website. By the end, you'll have your Substack sign-up form showing right on your site, so visitors can subscribe without leaving the page. Start by opening your Substack account and heading to your settings. You'll find settings from your account menu. Once you are in, look for the section labeled Growth. This is where Substack groups together all the tools designed to help you attract new readers, so it's the right place to grab the code you need. Inside Growth, scroll until you see the option called Embed Sign-up Form on other websites. This section contains everything Substack provides to place a working subscription form outside of Substack. You should see a pre-built code snippet ready to use. Substack typically offers it in two flavors: an iframe or standard HTML. Both display the same form, but they behave a little differently behind the scenes. If you want something that's quick and reliable across most site builders, the iframe is usually the simplest choice. It's a self-contained block that you can drop in and it will just work without much fuss. If you are comfortable with a bit more control and your platform allows it, the HTML option gives you more flexibility to style or adapt the markup. Whichever you choose, highlight and copy the entire snippet exactly as provided. Missing even a small part can prevent the form from loading properly. Now switch over to your website and add the code to a custom HTML block or component. Most platforms have a dedicated place for this, for example, a custom HTML, code, or embed block. Avoid pasting the snippet into a normal rich text editor, since those often strip code or convert it into plain text. Place the block wherever you want the form to appear. Common spots include the end of a blog post, a sidebar, or a footer where it's visible on every page. After pasting, the embed should render as a live sign-up form. If your builder shows a preview, you'll see it right away. If not, it will appear when the page is viewed live. A quick note on presentation: if the iframe looks too wide or too narrow, adjust the width of the container or column you placed it in. Most modern themes handle this well, and the form is designed to be readable on mobile devices. That's it. You went to Settings and Growth, found the Embed section, copied the iframe or HTML, and pasted it into a custom HTML block on your site. Thanks for watching.